Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hello, I hope you subscribe and stick around for more. In today's video, we are testing out a purple shampoo. As you guys know, my hair, she's been on a journey. We have been all kinds of brassiness, all kinds of blonde, and finally I've settled on platinum blonde and I'm so happy this color. But the one problem I have is trying to keep my hair brass free. I love that really cool icy platinum color. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is a struggle to keep it that color. So in today's video, we're gonna be testing out the Aussie SOS Hydration Purple Shampoo. I am beyond excited to be testing this out for you guys. This is Aussie's newly reformulated purple shampoo. This is a powerful purple shampoo which is gonna neutralize any brassy tones in my hair, keep it hydrated for 72 hours, and the best part in my opinion, it's gonna leave no stains on my bathroom and on my scalp. You would not believe the amount of purple pigments that end up on my scalp. It looks ridiculous. I am very excited to be putting this to the test. So what's inside this bad boy? We have 92% natural ingredients, Australian botanicals, a little bit of vitamin C, some wild plum, and manuka leaf. You know, all the good stuff. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and the bottle is 100% recyclable. I mean, what else could you possibly want in a purple shampoo? But if you did want to pick one up, it's exclusively at Boots, so definitely go check it out. The range, unbelievable. So thank you to Aussie for sending this to me. I am beyond excited to test this out for you guys and give you my honest opinion, and more importantly, I'm excited to show you how this actually works. So say goodbye to my brassy blonde hair. She needs some loving. 72 hours of hydration. Alrighty, so here's a before. She's in need of some, serious TLC. So first things first, I'm gonna go wet my hair, ready for the application. I mean, that's not cute. I feel like now you can really see the brassiness in my hair. It's not a look. Definitely not a look. And let's just get straight to the application because I am so excited to be testing this out. Oh, wow. That is pigment at its finest. Oh my goodness. How that is not gonna stain my scalp. Here we go. Whoa, this is quite... Oh, it smells incredible. Okay. Really gonna massage it. Just grab a little bit more for the back because I have a lot of hair. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. Whoa. Bye-bye brass. Hello, 72 hours of hydration and no stains. We'll see. I feel like I'm having an Ursula moment from The Little Mermaid. Alright, I'm gonna behave. Just want to make sure that I'm really getting those edges because those are my little spots that I always miss. And also because all my fake tan goes in there. So if the purple shampoo could neutralise that too, that'd be great, thank you. Okay, so now all we have to do is wait 3 to 5 minutes for this to do its thing. Okay, so while we wait for this to cook, check out my hands. Purpley. Let's rinse it off and see if it has stained or not. Okay, the hot tap is very hot. Oh my god, it's gone. Well, and I've got a little bit on the sink. You guys aren't ready. Nothing. It's all gone. How? I might just be in love. I love you. All right, it's time. Okay, have a good look. Remember our before picture? All brassy, not so cute. We're gonna wash this off. We're gonna be the most beautiful platinum blonde you've ever seen. Yeah. First of all, check it out. There is no purple residue. Look at this hairline. Nothing. Oh, that's beautiful. She really is doing what she says. So obviously I washed out all the purple shampoo and then had the choice of following up with either the Aussie SOS Hydration Conditioner or the Aussie SOS 3-Minute Miracle. I picked this one. I felt like my hair really needed it. She's in need of a lot of love, a lot of TLC, that bleach, keeping this hair platinum, maintaining it. It's a whole situation. I feel like we should be good. It's promising us 72 hours of moisture, so we should be good. And then obviously following up with a 3-Minute Miracle. My entire hair should just be so soft and silky and flowy. I'm excited to see the non-brassy glow, I'm gonna be honest with you. So the fact that I've used the purple shampoo and then followed up with a 3-Minute Miracle, we're gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna dry my hair off, and then I'm gonna show you the final results. I'm gonna get good before, we're gonna get good after. I'm just excited to share, I'm just excited to share it because it's gonna look so good. Got a good feeling, got a good feeling. Look at these results. Oh my goodness. My hair feels incredible. It is so soft. I literally can't get over how soft it is. It feels so hydrated. Look at this color, the shine. Oh my god. I can't get over how soft my hair feels. I keep stroking it because it just feels so good. Let me show you the results from behind and we can give a good comparison. I literally can't. Look at the shine as well. Look at this. It looks incredible. I am so happy. I literally cannot believe how even this looks. So fresh compared to what it was before. The Aussie SOS Blonde Hydration Shampoo 100% works, true to her word, no stains, all brassiness away, and this hydration, the moisture, 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness, now the sun's gone and you can really see the silveriness. No more brass. It's honestly so pretty. It's like this really icy blonde. And like I said before, the Aussie SOS Hydration Shampoo is not only for blondes, there is a brunette version, and that is a blue shampoo specifically for orange tones in brunette hair. Maintaining blonde hair, it just got so much easier. But once again, I just want to thank Aussie for partnering with me on this video. I'm really excited to bring it to you guys. I'm so glad that we can see the results together because they were amazing. And I feel like it's safe to say this is when you go to purple shampoo, which is now going to be a staple for maintaining my platinum blonde hair. But that's everything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your thoughts are with the sit. So yeah, love to see you. Bye.